iPhone XR, one of Apple's latest iPhone devices, bringing Face ID and an edge-to-edge screen at a more affordable price point. It's still relatively expensive, starting at $750, but it does have some really cool technology, including the new Liquid Retina display that goes edge-to-edge. It's got very powerful processing. It's got great build quality, wireless charging, of course, Face ID. So lots of great features. The A12 Bionic, you're getting very premium performance, a great camera, great speed, at a more affordable price point than the iPhone XS. But how do you pre-order a factory unlocked iPhone XR? If we go to view pricing, we can see there is no unlocked model available. So we can say it's coming. Pre-orders do begin on October 19th at 12:01 a.m. If we click continue, where we can select our carrier, you can see there are only 4 options: AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, and T-Mobile. Now on the iPhone XS, they had more availability, and Apple was able to offer a SIM-free model for pre-order. With iPhone XR, this is not the case. So what do? Well, you actually want to order the T-Mobile iPhone XR. And the reason you want to do this is because if you go back, the T-Mobile iPhone XR is the only one that does not require a wireless account to place your order. So AT&T, you need an AT&T account to order. Sprint, you need a Sprint account to order. And Verizon, you need a Verizon account to order. But T-Mobile, you don't need an account. You can choose to pay full price up front and get the phone unlocked. So in this, I'll just go for the 64 gig model, again, starting at $749. And you can see there's 2 options. You can do the Apple iPhone upgrade program. This will restrict you to certain plans and carriers, or you can pay in full, and this is how you get your factory unlocked iPhone XR. So there you go. With previous models, if we go to tech specs, the T-Mobile iPhone would only work on GSM networks. However, with the XR, I called Apple and confirmed there's actually only one model. It's model A1984. It includes all of these antenna bands, so it is compatible with CDMA networks. You can see down here, it's kind of hard to highlight on the black background, but there you go. It does work with CDMA carriers and networks, so it's just one model iPhone, regardless of which carrier you choose during the checkout process. All will be the same, and all will work with any network here in the United States. Not only that, if we go back to our checkout screen, you can see there is a button that says See Carriers Compatible with this iPhone, and carrier compatibility, it is compatible with AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon. So the T-Mobile model iPhone XR will work with all carriers and networks here in the United States. It will ship unlocked, just with that T-Mobile SIM card pre-installed. So there you go. That is how you pre-order a factory unlocked iPhone XR so you can enjoy it on launch day. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this one.